Hi, welcome to DY India Day. Today we are going to create a virtual machines in VMware workstations. Before that, if you are new my channel, so keep subscribe my channel for latest content. Let me begin. So I have already installed VMware workstations. So once you open your VMware workstations, you will see like this. If you click in the home page, there is an options called create a virtual machine. Open a virtual machine, connect to remote servers. So this three option is there. I'm using workstation Pro 17. So let me create a new virtual machine. So from here you all also you can use this options, or otherwise you have to go in the files, and there is a files, there is multiple options there. So we want to create a new virtual machine, so we have just click on files and then go to drop down, and this first options new virtual machine. So I'm just clicking on new virtual machine. Once you click on new virtual machine, you will get this window. Here we have to go with custom options, which is already selected. Just click on the next. Here nothing need to be changed. There is a version is showing, and there is a limitations of this workstations. So this workstation is support 128 GB memory, 32 processors, 10 network adapters, 8 TB disk, and 8 GB shared graphic memory. So let me next. So once you reach here, just in this you have to just browse your images. So I have already downloaded the images. Let me, some error is coming. Okay, so I already downloaded the images. You can download your images, whatever you want to install. So I'm trying to install CentOS 7. So just you have to just select the images. Once you select, this path will be filled. Next, you have to just click on next. Here, just put your name. Then put a username and put a password. So let me put, you have to put a password, then confirm the password, and then click next. Once you click on next, you will see the options virtual machine name. So here we have to give the virtual machine name. So I'm giving DY India Tech server 3. Now here is a location where you want to install your this virtual machine. By default, it will install your users. So I want to make change this installations path. So I'm just go the locations. So I've created the folders inside where I want to install my virtual machines. So I've just created one folder is like DY India Tech server 3. Then I have to select this. Once you select this, all the installations files is stored inside only. Click on next. Here is a number of processor. You can make changes according to your compute. So I'm not making any changes because I'm trying to install in my laptops. In the my laptops have a limited compute. Here you can also put a memory as per your requirements. So by default it is 1 GB. You can reduce 512 MB or you can increase as well as per your requirement. It is supported 128 GB. So I'm not make anything because I have limited resources in my laptops. So I'm putting 1 GB only. Just click on the next. Once you click, there is a network settings. So I'm using default NAT address translator. Click on next. After that, this is Lilo. So I'm using a Lilo. Next is a select the disk type. Disk type is ASCII. Create a new virtual disk. So I'm here creating a new virtual disk. So by default in VMware is 20 GB. You can increase and decrease as per your requirement. Make sure you have available space in your servers. Click on the next. Once you click this, DMDK file will be created in your desired locations where you want to install this. So we earlier selected that things. Just click on the next. So now see this ready to create a virtual machines. We have to just verify all those details. So this name is DY India server 3. Location is C drive, the path which had selected. Then version is this. Operating system is CentOS 7. Disk is 20 GB. Memory is 1024 MB is called 1 GB. Network adapter is NAT. And other device CD-ROM, DVD, USB controls. Okay. Now we have to just click on finish. Once we click on the finish, the system will boot. You will see this screen. So we have to wait for some time because it's loading your configurations and booting the system. So now it's booting my servers. If you see in the top, Stiva India Tech server 3 now is booting. Just take a few seconds to load. So once it's boot, you will see these options. Then you have to set up username and password. And if you want to access your normal users as administrator, you have to checkbox this. So now I set the password. So wait for some time because it's installing all the packages. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes. So after installation, your system will reboot. So once it's reboot, it's going to activate the license. Click on the license and just click accept and done. Click on network and just done. And then you have to finish. So now see the login screen is came. So now I log in. So now my system is ready. And right click, just open the terminals and see the systems DFI-H and this IP is 142. So this is installation is very simple. The versions of this OS, it is CentOS Linux 7.4. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, just share your friend and click. We will meet in next video. Thank you.